Assalamu alaikum, dear students of Dr. Khastagi Government High School, Chattogram. Hope all of you are safe and sound and staying at home. You know, we are passing a very crucial time due to COVID-19. The month Ramadan has already been started, and yesterday we observed our Pohela Boishakh staying at our home. So all of you, I want to wish you all, and I want to wish this for this Pohela Boishakh in Bengali, Shubho Noboborsho 1428, and hope you all say your prayers and say to the Almighty to save us in this distress of the pandemic situation. I want to introduce myself. I am Sabrina Islam, Assistant Teacher English. So welcome you all to our today's class. And the class is on our English for today. So now, which class or which unit actually I am going to share with you. So look at this picture. What can you see here? Yes, there you can see. You can see the first one, Shahid Minar. Second one, the National Memorial at Savar. And next, you can see here, these two places are very important. You know, Shahid Minar symbolizes our supreme sacrifices of the language martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the mother tongue, for establishing Bangla as the state language in 1952. Then the second one, it symbolizes the supreme sacrifice of our freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our motherland in 1971. I think you all have already visited these two places. Next one. Here is written May Day. This is also an important event of the people of the whole world. Which day is called May Day? The first day of the month, May. This is called the International Workers' Day. And the next one, maybe this is a procession. And I think you can easily guess, this is the procession of Pohela Boishakh. And the next one, here is written Happy Mother's Day. You know, there is another day which we celebrate as Mother's Day. And the day is on the second Sunday of May. And there are some countries who celebrate this Mother's Day on the fourth Sunday of May. So these are some events and festivals. And we will know about these events and festivals in Unit 3. So today I am going to share one topic from here. So which one? Look here. Yes, I think you can guess which lesson of this Unit 3 I am going to share with you. This is Pohela Boishakh. Unit 3, Lesson 6. Before starting to read this text of Lesson 6, I want to share some new words with you. Okay, the word written here, the first one, supplement. A thing is added to something to improve or complete it. That is called supplement. For example, newspapers bring out special supplements. on different festivals or different important days or national days, we can say. Next word, adorn. What does it mean? To make more beautiful or attractive. When something is done, some activities are done to make something, any place or any area or any room like this, to make it more beautiful or attractive, that is called adorn or decorate. Next word, contemporary. That means belonging to the same time. That means it indicates about the present time. Next, procession. It means a line of people or vehicles that move along slowly, especially as a part of a ceremony. When we want to celebrate any day, actually these types of a kind of rally or a line of people is arranged to celebrate the ceremony or any celebration. Next one, wreath. What does it mean? An arrangement of flowers and leaves, especially in the shape of circle. So I think all of you have understood these new words. Maybe you will get other new words while reading the text, but you can guess some of their meaning from the text, from the context where the words are used. Okay, now this is the text that is given in your EFT book. So read it silently. You will get some important points about this celebration of Pohela Boishakh. So these are the actually general things that we do to celebrate Pohela Boishakh. You know, last year we didn't do these, and this year also this is bad luck for us, not for us actually. The whole world actually is suffering from this COVID-19. So these are the things that every year we do to celebrate this Pohela Boishakh. So we want to recall our sweet memories and don't be upset about the present situation. Pray to the Almighty. The Almighty will save us from this situation. So this is the first part, and there is another part here of this text. So read it, and after that we are going to share the common aspects of this celebration of Pohela Boishakh. Look here, one line is written here. The celebration of Pohela Boishakh marks a day of cultural unity for the whole nation. Here, cultural unity is used here. That means this celebration of Pohela Boishakh is not for any individual or any individual religion or caste and creed. This celebration of Pohela Boishakh is for all the Bengalis. You know, people from all walks of life, irrespective of their ethnic identity and religious beliefs, they join different programs to celebrate this day. So what are the what are the significances of this Pohela Boishakh? Let me show you something. Okay, there is one picture. The picture is also given in your EFT book. Look at the picture, all of you, and then answer these questions. What's the picture about? I think you all know. There are many young men and women. They are sitting in a row under a tree, wearing traditional dresses. And the picture is about the cultural function or program at Ramna Bottomul in Dhaka. I think you know actually which organization actually arrange this function every year, except these 2 years, 2020 and 2021. This function is organized by Chayanot, a famous organization, cultural organization, and they start the celebration of Pohela Boishakh early in the morning, singing the famous Thakur song. I think you all know, Esho He Boishakh, Esho Esho. This song is sung here to start this celebration. Next, what you can see here? Yes, you can see this is a procession, or you can say the biggest carnival by the fine arts students. This is arranged by the students of Fine Arts of Dhaka University. And here you can see many things here. Yes, masks. Many people, lot of people are here. So this biggest carnival has some characteristics. Let me show you. Okay, the first one displays the traditional practices of Bengali culture. Next, masks and wreaths symbolize contemporary worries and happiness. And the last one attracts foreign tourists. These are the special common features of, or we can say special features of this colorful procession or this biggest carnival. Next, what can you see here? Yes, I think all of you know this one very well. This is the name of a famous dish, traditional dish of Pohela Boishakh, named Panta Ilish. Yes, I think you enjoyed this dish this year also, or we can say we can enjoy in another way also. We can eat other food items, but this one is the traditional one. We generally eat this Panta Ilish, hilsa fish with Panta Bhat on our Pohela Boishakh. Next, what can you see here? Yes, you can say this is a book or khata. So this has a special name, that is Hal Khata. Hal Khata, the traders, or you can say the businessmen, the shopkeepers, they open new account book, Hal Khata. And they also offer sweets to their customers. But sorry to say, these things were not done in these 2 years. The reason you know very well. Okay, next I want to show you, you know, Pohela Boishakh has special significance in these 3 sides: social sides, cultural sides, and also educational sides. That means it has special significance in these 3 sectors. Next, look here, media. You know, media plays a very important role here in celebrating Pohela Boishakh. How? Look here, print, then electronic, 2 types of media, print media and also electronic media. Which are print media? Newspapers, magazines. You know, newspapers, magazines bring out special supplements, and electronic media like radio and TV channels, they also telecast different cultural programs, educative programs focusing on Pohela Boishakh. I think we enjoyed our Pohela Boishakh this year, mostly in these two ways, reading newspapers, magazines, and also listening to different programs on radio and TV channels. So I think you have understood how media plays important role in the celebration of Pohela Boishakh. Next, section C, I want to share some questions with you. You will write the answers. The first question is here. Do you go out in the morning of Pohela Boishakh? If you do, where do you go? You can write it. Usually what you do every year. And if you do not go out, then how you pass your morning of Pohela Boishakh, write about it. You can mention considering the present situation. For example, you can write in the previous years before 2020, where you go, actually where you went. For example, I go to the DC Hill, I attend my school programs. I also enjoy other programs arranged in Chattogram district. You can write about these, and you can also write down about these 2 years that are different, okay, that were different from the early years. Next question, what kind of food do you eat in the morning of Pohela Boishakh? I have already mentioned the traditional item, the traditional dish of Pohela Boishakh, that is hilsha with panta bhat, that is called panta ilish. But you can write about other food items that you eat early in the morning of Pohela Boishakh, like sweets or any kind of pitha, bhatta with white rice, like these. Then do you wear any special clothes on this occasion? I think you know, you have got this idea from our text, from the text given here in your EFT book. That is, there is traditional dresses for both men and women for Pohela Boishakh. What is that? Women wear white sarees with red borders and adorn themselves with colorful churis and flowers. And men dress themselves in pajamas and Punjabis. But in recent years, actually, I noticed different colors are also owned. Colors of dresses are also owned by different people. So you can do it. But the traditional colors, the traditional dresses are actually these saris, then pajamas and Punjabis for men. So write down these answers of these questions. I am not showing you the answers. I have discussed here. I think you all can write them in an organized way. So write down these later. Next, section D, complete the passage with suitable words. So this is the text and the words are not given here. So you have to complete this passage using the words from your own understanding. So I am reading it out, and beside it, I am showing you the answers so that you can understand it easily. The word Pohela means the first, and Boishakh is the first month of Bangla calendar. The day is observed not only in Bangladesh but also in some other parts of the world. It is celebrated in West Bengal, Assam, and Tripura. It is also, yes, these words celebrated. Also celebrated in Australia and the UK. In Australia, the largest, I want to use a marker here. Okay, this one. Okay, look here. In Australia, the largest largest festival for Bangla New Year is the Sydney Boishakhi Mela, held near Sydney Olympic Park. In England, the Bengalis generally celebrate the day with a street show. Use this one, show, in London. It is the largest Asian festival in Europe, yes, America, Bangladesh, and West Bengal. I think all of you have used these words in all these gaps and understood these text. So now we have completed all the tasks of your year 3 book, and you have another one left in section E. So what is there? I want to give it to you as your homework. What is that? Describe your own cultural or religious festival that you celebrate. You know, except this Pohela Boishakh, we have other festivals. For example, for the Hindu community, there is their Durga Puja. You can write about that. And for the Muslims, they celebrate Eid, 2 different Eids. You can write about these 2 Eids. And then for the Buddhists, they can write about any festival they enjoy, like Buddha Purnima, like this. And you can use the following words. You can also use other words relevant to the festival. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 words are given here, but you can use other words relevant to the festival, to your festival, your own festival. So do it as your homework. And today's class is finished here. Thank you all for attending the class. Stay home, stay safe, and pray to the Almighty for saving us in this pandemic situation. And beside your studies, help your elders at home. Thus, you can enjoy your time. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Thank you all.